Hello traders, welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. Now, I'll be speaking about a profitable market in Deriv that most people do not know about. This market will give you profits every single day without fail if you do it right. And I mean every single day. Now, for those who have been coming to my live streams, you have noticed one thing. I keep on trading one particular market, and most people have been coming to me asking me, why do you only trade this particular market? And I tell them, I only trade this particular market because it gives me consistent profits every single day without fail. And I told you guys, in Deriv, you don't just trade a market because it has high profits. No, you trade a market because it will give you consistent profits every single day. All right, so that you don't have this cycle whereby on Monday you make a lot of profits, on Tuesday you lose a lot of the profits, and then on Wednesday you get a lot of profits again, and then on Thursday you lose. So you're in a cycle of gain, lose, gain, lose. But with this market, you will be gaining daily, and most people have experienced this for those who have been in my live streams. Okay, now. Again, this market is friendly for everyone, be it a beginner, be it an experienced trader, be it an intermediate trader. This market will serve you properly, okay? Now, what do you require to trade in this market? You just have to have a good bot, okay? Because in this market, I do not advise people to trade manually, okay? In this market, guys, do not trade manually. Please, if you can, use a bot. If you do not have a good bot, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Come to me, I'll give you all the best bots in my possession currently. Okay, so you first of all need a good bot. Again, you have to have a nice capital. The minimum amount that you should use whenever it comes to bots is 10 USD. Okay, but if you can be able to afford from 100 USD, that is amazing. And again, only trade on the official deriv.com website. Do not trade on that party sites. Okay, and again, after that, you must use proper risk management, whereby in terms of capital, you use 2% of your account as stake, 2 to 5% of your account as stake, and then when it comes to profit and loss, if your target profit should be 20% of your account, and your stop loss should also be 20% of your account, so that in case you get a 20% gain, you get a profit. In case you get a 20% loss, you leave the market. In either way, if you achieve your profit, leave. If you achieve your loss, leave. I told you guys, discipline is what will make you survive in trading, okay? If you do not have discipline, you'll end up over trading, revenge trading, and all those two lead you to the road of losses. So please ensure you use proper risk management. Now, I know you're waiting and wondering, hey, when is this guy saying the market? The market I'm talking about is the under 8 market. Yes, under 8 might seem like a low risk market, a market that has little profits, but guys, you'll be amazed at the potential that market holds. If you want to see it live for yourself, subscribe and wait for our live stream, or basically go to the channel and click on live. On almost all our live streams, we have been trading under 8, and you will see the profits that we make. In every single live stream, I end up with a profit, no matter what the market throws at me. Okay, and people have also been able to make a lot of profits in those live streams just from trading under 8, whereby you find somebody has been trading even odd throughout their lives. They have always been in losses, and then or if they're not in losses, they get out of the market with nothing. But with under 8, every single day you get out of the market with something nice. Okay, so please, guys, go and check out the under 8 strategy. It will be in the description. You can go and click it, or you can click on the top right corner of your screen to go and watch the under 8 strategies. I've made a lot of strategies about under 8. You will be amazed at how good this market is. And again, as I've said, please use proper risk management. When it comes to martingale, use a martingale of between 3 to 4. Okay, a martingale of between 3 to 4, so that you are able to recover your particular stake. Okay. Guys, please be responsible while trading, all right? Nothing is guaranteed. You have to apply proper strategy. That is why I'm saying go watch the under 8 strategy, and then go and practice it. And then after that, now you can go into the market, okay? And if you want to join us and see myself trading live, you can join our live streams, okay, between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. East African time, so that at least you can see what we are doing live, okay? Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching, guys, and please look for good quality bots, okay? Look for bots that will be able to use martingale and succeed at it. If you go for free bots, for poor quality bots, those bots will cost you more than you could have actually spent on a good bot. Believe me, you might see it as free, but in the long run, you will pay for that bot with a lot of losses. So come and get a good quality bot from me, a bot that will be able to recover, a bot that will be able to use proper martingale. You can go to my live streams to see the bots that I use. They are all amazing. Yeah, so if you're interested, again, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Come and I'll give you all the bots. And guys, if you have felt this video is impactful, please ensure you subscribe and like, and please share to anyone who you know trades in the Deriv, so that at least they're aware of this particular tip, okay? Otherwise, guys, keep trading, keep pushing. For inquiries about online classes, one-on-one live trading sessions, boards, materials, documents, mentorship, guidance, membership to our WhatsApp group with over 1,000 traders, my WhatsApp number is in the description. hit me up. We'll be able to talk. Apart from that, guys, thank you once again for listening. Thank you for dedicating your time for watching this video. Keep trading, guys. Keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.